Control number 44517, please introduce yourself.
Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Judy Ann Punzal. I am 27 years old. I am married. I am one son, 3 years old. And I have 3 brothers and 2 sisters. I am the third of the family.
What is your educational attainment?
I am ALS graduate, Pinagbuklod ng Kalaman, 2023 and 2024.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
I want to go to Hong Kong to improve myself and my son's futures.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
Yes, ma'am. I have been domestic helper in the Philippines in 6 years.
Do you have experience of taking care of an old person?
Yes, ma'am.
What can you do for elderly?
Give them bath, medicines, change the diaper, and give them food.
Do you have experience of taking care of newly born babies and children?
Yes, ma'am.
What can you do for babies and children?
Give them bath, feeding, play with them.
Aside from your daily household works, what other special skills you can do inside the house?
Cooking, tutoring, and sewing.
Describe yourself as a housemaid.
I am a hardworking, trustworthy, and responsibility.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How did they treat you?
They treat me as a family.
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
Dear Mommy, Sir, if I ever choose me as a domestic helper, I will. And I promise to finish my contract for 2 years. More than, thank you so much.